everyone, once again welcome to our channel Nuclean Biotech. So for every NEET aspirants, believe in yourself that you are, know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacles. So let us start our session. Today we will discuss some questions from chapter 1 and our questions from taxonomic categories and taxonomical aids. Our first question is, a taxonomic category refers to first option, a basic unit of classification, second, a rank or level in a taxonomical hierarchy, third, a group of related organisms able to interbreed, fourth, a group of related organisms but unable to interbreed freely. And the right option is B, a rank or level in a taxonomical hierarchy. And our second question is, the ascending or descending arrangement of taxonomic categories is called first classification, second taxonomy, third hierarchy, fourth key. Our right option is C. Move to third question. The term taxon is used for first option, the rank of species and genus, second, the rank up to phylum, third, the species after only, fourth, any rank of taxonomic hierarchy. Correct option is D. Now move to fourth question. Which term can be used for any taxonomic rank? Our first option, class, second, taxon, third, family, fourth, cohort. Our right option is B. Move to fifth question. Basic unit or smallest taxon of classification is our first option, species, second, kingdom, third, family, fourth, variety. Our right option is A. Move to sixth question. The basic unit upon which the system of classification are based is. Options are first, species, second, genus, third, order, fourth, family. Our correct option is A. Move to seventh question. Among all the kingdoms, the only taxons that exist in nature as a biological cohesive unit is. Our options is species, genus, phylum, or division, kingdom. Our right option is A. Move to eighth question. A true species consists of a population which is, options are sharing the same name, second, interbreeding, third, feeding over the same food, fourth, geographical isolated. Our correct option is B. Move to ninth question. Mangifera is a first, variety, second, genus, third, species and fourth, class. Our correct option is B. Move to 10th question. The genus is a group of similar and related. Options are classes, species, phyla or class. Our correct option is B. Move to 11th question. The taxonomic category below the level of a family is first, class, second, species, third, phylum and fourth, genus. Our correct option is D. 12th question. The related genera belong to the same species, variety, family or breed. Our correct option is C. Move to 13th question. In a taxonomic hierarchy, genus is interpolated between first option, kingdom and class, phylum and order, order and species and family and species. A correct option is D. In a taxonomic hierarchy, family is interpolated between kingdom and class, class and order, order and genus and class and genus. A correct option is C. Two organisms are present in the same class but not in the same family, they may belong to the same first genus, second species, third variety, fourth order. A correct option is D. Next question, which of the following have least similar characters? First option family, second class, third genus, fourth species. A correct option is B. Move to 17th question. Botanical gardens mainly serve the purpose of providing. Options are beautiful area for recreation, reservoir for tropical plants, ex situ conservation of germplasm, natural habitat for wildlife. Correct option is C. Move to next question. Which of the following serve as a quick reference system in a taxonomical studies? First museum, second zoological park, third herbarium, fourth botanical garden. A correct option is C. National Zoological Park is situated at first option Delhi, second Jaipur, third Lucknow, fourth Darjeeling. A correct option is first. The most convenient way for easy identification of plant and animals by applying diagnostic feature is use of first botanical garden, second herbarium, third museum, fourth taxonomic keys. Our correct option is D. Move to next question. A couplet is a key is first option each statement in the key, second contrasting character in a pair, third rejection of a statement, fourth none of these. A correct option is B. Move to next question. This is a taxonomic aid which contains the actual account of habitat and distribution of plant of given area and also provide the index of the plant species found in a particular area. Options are flora, key, monograph or manual. Our correct option is A. The plant growing in an area surrounded by a geographical or political boundary will be included in. Options are fauna, flora, aquatic ecosystem and terrestrial ecosystem. A correct option is B. Which taxonomic aid give comprehensive account of complete information of a genus or family at a particular time? First, taxonomic key, second, herbarium, third, monograph and fourth, all of these. A correct option is C. Floral features are commonly used for identification of angiosperm because first option reproductive part are more conservative, second flowers can be safely preserved, third flowers are nice to work with, fourth flowers have various colors and scents. A correct option is A. Move to next question. Dash are useful in providing information for identification of names of species found in an area. Our options are flora, manuals, monograph and catalogs. A correct option is B. Move to next question. Catalog is a first option list or register containing name of all the species found in a particular place. Second, booklet containing all the character and their alternates which are helpful in identifying all the taxa. Third, handy book contain instructions of a species. Fourth, treatise having all information about a particular taxons. And our correct option is A. Okay, thank you so much for your precious time. Please subscribe our channel and don't forget to like, comment and share.